don't know if you've ever been at a restaurant and you had a meal that you would order again, but sometimes you could probably wonder, I wonder who that chef is. I wonder who was putting together that culinary masterpiece. Well, there's a guy by the name of Fernand Adida. Maybe you've heard of him, and he is a world-renowned chef. In fact, he has had the wonderful privilege of being named the best chef in the world 5 years in a row, having the best restaurant in the world 5 years in a row, somewhere in Spain. In fact, they shut the restaurants down because 2 million people each year were trying to make reservations, and they could only accommodate about 8,000 people a year. This is a really, really good chef. And one of the critics of his restaurant said that the meal that he had, get this, changed his life. I don't know how a meal changes your life, but apparently it was that good. Now, how many of you know when Jesus cooks a meal, it's going to change your life? And so here you have Jesus. He's cooking the meal. Jesus is grilling all of these fillets there on the shore of the Sea of Galilee, and he's having this bread there at the feet of the disciples, and he is telling them to come and dine.